You know, one thing with Nigerian politicians is that once their food stop coming, once they need to collect again on the table of sharing national cake, do you know what you see? You see them on national TV complaining and crying us a river. Yes, and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On today's episode of What is Trending, your Senator Ned Nwoko said he was promised automatic ticket before he joined the APC, but they betrayed him. Apparently, it's not only Regina Daniel betrayed him, APC also betrayed him. Anyway, take a look of where he's crying us a river on Arise Television.
New guys that came in took over practically everything.
Yeah, but was that the prize that was given to them for them to move into the APC?
Well, it must be because.
Well, if you're not aware of it, then you're clearly not a man with an ear to the ground in your own state.
I myself and others were promised that there will be discussions.
Right.
On the new structure of the party, and we believe that there will be some.
Who promised you that?
Oh, come on, the former chairman.
Right.
The former chairman, Elijah Gunduje, who was the national chairman. We had meetings with him, and he and other leaders of the party, and we were assured that there will be some sharing formula, power sharing formula. We're even told, for example, that the state ESCO, will be dissolved, and that there will be nominations to enable the old APC to get a foothold into the government. But that was never done. It was never done.
And of course, Ganduje is no longer the chair.
Of course, yes. That was the problem. That was the problem. So I certainly was told before I came into the party that there will be an automatic ticket for me. And why would I just live like that without making sure that I have a secure So
that promise was broken, basically, because it wasn't an automatic ticket. I mean, you had to compete for the ticket.
Yes.
If independent evidence ultimately showed that Ifeanyi Okowa genuinely won fairly, would you concede publicly and ask your supporters to move on?
No.
Because you know that
I was there. I have the evidence. I have the video. Look, you cannot convince somebody who is innocent to say I am guilty. It's not possible.
Indeed,
it's not possible.
Right.
We won the primary.
So when will you know
in 98 words.
Right.
All that Ifeanyi Okowa did was just to show evidence of one ward where there was.
So you won all the wards.
No, I couldn't have won his word. Right. That would be foolhardy of me to think I will win his word. Because
you won the majority of them.
Of course, yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
See why a lot of them are rushing into that particular party, because they keep promising them automatic tickets, and he was enjoying it while it lasts. Like they say, there is no honor among thieves. You don't have to cry us a river, because say everly the cake you go cut. The pipe you go cut, it don't cut. This one come now. You can imagine promising somebody automatic ticket. That means the vote of the people does not really count. Now Nigerians in the east, in the west, everywhere is complaining about insecurity, and this guy had the effrontery. Now so they talk him the effrontery to start crying about automatic tickets. These people don't care about the lives. They don't care about the people. What they are concerned is about what they are going to gain. See, as on how the cake you don't cut. You can imagine politicians now complaining, say they promised me automatic tickets, now they betrayed me. You're not concerned about the people. You had all the influence as a politician in your constituency, in your local government, in your area. You didn't care about the people. What was the important thing for you was to care about what you go get. You see, they don't do you. You don't clear. You say breeze blow, fire open. That's what is trending on today. See this man now. Another one they come. On the other news, I don't know when the Nigerian people will have sense. Which millennium, which decade, which year? Because tell me why. The people are saying that one of the Eastern governors gifted Regina Daniel a 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Say one of the Eastern governors saw her car and say she's not driving a better car. Now they now bought her a brand new Mercedes G-Wagon 2026. What about how many billion? I don't know. Well, it's not up to a billion. How many million?
This thing, the recent car you bought. And we found out there is no something exceptional there. So we decided to provide something unique for you. So look over there. That's for you. Come on.
That's a lie. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Can't be prank. Can't be.
This is a prank.
But
It's a
what
prank.
happened to deserve the president? What are they celebrating?
Open this up. Open this up. All right.
Just like that. Just like that.
Wow.
You like it? Okay, what happened is that we try to appreciate your efforts. We know you have done so good. And you have spent some money to organize this kind of event. But that is order from the governor.
You will see one healthcare where Bush offer to go. They now say this is how the Nigerian politicians are doing public funds. And after, somebody will start coming to national television, start crying, say they promised you were promised a automatic ticket. Anyway, times is no longer a rumor. How this girl can't be able to afford this car by herself if it's not for public fund? Yes. If you feel otherwise, put your comment on the comment section. Sense doesn't have a clue or waiting. How do I put it? Atom of sense. Because you see people talking about being jealous of Regina because she got herself a car. Your infrastructure is not. Do you know how many people are coming out from NYC camp every year not getting jobs? Nigerian youths are resorting to nothing but fraud. And somebody somewhere is using the public fund to do gifts and give away. Why your people are rotting away? Now you will see somebody defending this. You will see a grown person with blood walking in their vein defending this. And this is what Nigerians are complaining. You see one person making sense, and you see a group of people, group of animals talking rubbish about, and the country is deteriorating every day. However you feel about this video, please leave your comment on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella, and that's what's trending. Peace out.